Welcome to an unboxing video. My birthday present, so happy birthday to me. Max Ority floor jack. The box got ripped in delivery because it's really heavy. Some more made in China floor jack. Here's some specs. So what I'm going to do, we'll open it up, see what we got. Cut the straps. Pop the staples. Strap didn't cut. Let's try again. Unless it's double strap. Nope, just didn't cut. Alright, first pro tip. Sharp razor. Not instilling confidence in me, is it? Alright, so those are all done. So I'm going to lay it down. Open it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks like it's packed well. Handle. Other handle. Directions. There it is. It's a low profile jack. It comes with a little hockey puck. I've heard people actually use real hockey pucks when they don't have these. Nice little rubber disc. So let's get it out of there. Now I'm going to pick it up. I'll be right back. So here it is. Out of the box. Looks good. Clean. I got the option with the foot pump so you can pump it up to the height you need before you start using the handle. And that's supposed to be a nice touch. Let's open the directions and see what we got. In the box it comes with these directions, and you saw this before. I flipped through it and it did not tell me what to do with that little bolt. First page, general safety information. Don't hurt yourself. It says it comes with a floor jack and pumping handle. Again, nothing about the nut. Capacity 6,600 pounds, 3 tons. I don't think I'll be lifting anything that heavy. Operation's pretty simple. I mean, we've all seen these jacks before. Turn the handle, get to the lift point, pump it up. Make sure you use jack stands. Another safety tip. Never work on something only supported by the jack. Makes sense. Lower it. Opposite of raising it. Maintenance. Oh, there's a system air purge procedure. Turn the valve all the way counterclockwise. In one full turn. Rapidly pump it. Leave it down. Move the cover. Bunch of steps to add oil. I'm not going to do any of this right now. I'm going to try it without it, and I'm guessing this is spare because they get lost or worn out. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, let's see about putting these handles together. Looks easy enough. Oh, maybe that bolts for here. Nope. Doesn't tell me which one goes where. I guess in this one has this big square end, and in there it feels like it's square. So let's see what happens. That seems to work. This has this little button, which I'm guessing lines up with a button here. Oh, here's something I'll tell you. It's got a little safety thing to keep it from popping up, I guess, in shipment. Doesn't tell you. Get that out. Let's see. You just wiggle it. There you go. Oh, look at that. It pops right up. This might be nice to hold on to for storage. Maybe. We'll see. Interesting. Back to the handle. A little hole in that part of the handle. A little tab there. Like a billion other things with the little pin. There you go. Easy enough. Alright. Twist it to close it. Now this little foot step here. See how it raises it? That's a really nice touch. Really, really nice. Crank it to bring it back down again. Sorry for turning it sideways and making you all look at it sideways on your computers. Let's see. Try to pick something up. Oh, it came out. Oh yeah, look, there's that bolt. There's that bolt. So this has to be tightened to keep the handle in. See? There you go. We're going to learn something together. So this other bolt is a backup. Alright, I'm going to grab a wrench, tighten that. I'm going to pop the cover off this 1964 Chevy Corvair. And the reason I got this is so that I can do more work on it. Right now I just have a couple of small hydraulic jacks, scissor jack, a bunch of jack stands, but they're a pain in the ass. With this big jack, I'll be able to just slide it under there and pump it up. That's the plan. Alright, I'm going to grab a wrench, tighten that, and I'll be back. I went upside down. Gotta re-show you a couple of things. The jack comes with this black plastic piece stuck in here. Like that. And it keeps the handle from coming up. Doesn't tell you in the book anything about that. So you have to just get the handle down a little bit, it pops up, then you can raise the handle. This might be good to hang on to for storage. You can pop it back in there. One of the great things about this jack, and why I wanted it, was for this. You just step on this and it raises it up, so that if you're in a weird spot or you're just trying to go really high, if you have a high vehicle, you'll be able to just pump this with your foot instead of cranking the arm. It's a really nice touch. And I discovered that this bolt, the extra bolt that comes, is to tighten in the handle, which is not in the instructions, but that's what it's for. So I'm going to grab a wrench, tighten that up. Then I'm going to jack up my 1964 Chevy Corvair, and we'll see how it works. So I got an adjustable wrench here. Tighten it down, see what happens. I know this is boring. It's like watching paint dry. Only less imagination. Yeah. I guess you tighten it all the way down because it's still moving. So just crank it all the way down until it seats. Again, not in the book. So that's seated. So it handles in. When I first tried rolling this without tightening it down, it just popped right out. So, see what happens. Just gonna go for a random spot on the rail. This car has a pinch seam, so the jacking point is further up where the seams kind of meet. So I'm just going to get this close and see what happens. Right here. Not messing about the foot pedal. I can pump it with my foot to get it close. Here we go. Turn the handle to close it. Give it a couple of pumps. Down the pinch seam. Lift it right up. Nice. Then lower it. That's it. Not a whole lot to it. There's a couple things they didn't tell you in the book. No big deal. A little nut. Love the little foot pedal. Max Ority. I'll get this you go. 3-ton low profile jack. Like and share, subscribe, I don't know, whatever you do for YouTube. Thanks.